This is the only chicken mandi recipe you'll ever need. We're gonna split open our chicken from the back, give it a flip, and then with 2 hands press down on the breast to make it flat. In a bowl, we need some good quality olive oil. We're gonna add turmeric, cardamom, allspice, garlic, a little cumin, and sazon. I'm gonna slowly pour this over the chicken, and then just massage it into every crevice of the chicken. I also like to sprinkle some fresh paprika for the color. Now in a fresh pot, I like to toss in quite a bit of ghee. Clarified butter makes any rice amazing, I promise. When the ghee starts to talk back, add in some shallot and green chili. For maximum flavor, you must toast your spices. Start with some cardamom and bay leaf, some allspice berries and black peppercorns, and then we're gonna finish with a couple cloves and a preserved lemon. It's actually a dried black lemon, and it's just wonderful in this rice. When everything is nice and toasty, I'm gonna add some washed basmati rice, hit this with a quick pinch of salt, and then just add in your preference of water or stock. Now here's where it gets interesting. As the rice comes to a boil, I'm gonna cover the pot with some aluminum foil, make several slits with a knife or a toothpick. Then on top of the foil, I like to place a wire rack. Then on top of that, we're gonna lay down our beautifully seasoned chicken. This is actually gonna be tossed into the oven at 300 degrees. As the chicken caramelizes and cooks, all those pan drippings are gonna drip onto the rice. Into the oven we go. In the meantime, do tomatoes and cilantro in a blender, toss in a green chili and some heartburn, and give it a pinch of salt and blend. This is what Yemenis call zahawig, and I like mine cilantro heavy. This is done when the chicken breast reads around 160 internal, and you could just see how gorgeous it gets. This one took me about 2 hours. The rice does stay nice and fluffy like me, and now we have final product. This is definitely one of my favorite foods of all time. I'm gonna grab a little chicken with my hand, a nice scoop of rice, and for the perfect bite, some zahawig. And as always, now bismillah. Promise you, that is insanely good. I guess you can consider this some Yemeni chicken and rice.